So this is the brand new Nubia Neo 2 5G that comes with gaming tickets on its sides. It's super responsive and you can use it as shortcuts in any game you are playing. For example, you can set it to boost your car in racing, check your status in Mobile Legends, or even aim and shoot in PUBG. Besides that, gaming is also really comfortable on the ultra smooth 6.72 inch and 120Hz refresh rate display. 6000 mAh battery, that's good enough to last you up to 2 days on a single charge. Unisox T820 processor that achieve more than 500 autoto. Last but not least, there's also the bionic mecha design that makes the budget gaming phone look super futuristic. So there you have it.